This video will walk you through the common causes of the iPhone red screen of death and provide various effective solutions to help you quickly restore your device to normal operation. Part 1. Why did my iPhone screen go red? The iPhone red screen can be caused by various issues. 1. System software failure. Problems like failed iOS updates or jailbreaking. 2. Battery or motherboard issues. Damaged battery, aging power management IC, or motherboard short circuit. 3. Baseband chip abnormalities, damage to the baseband or poor solder joints affecting booting. 4. Physical damage, drops or water damage impacting internal circuitry. Part 2. How to fix iPhone red screen of death. The following methods range from simple to advanced. You can try them in order until the issue is resolved. Fix 1. Force restart iPhone. A force restart can fix temporary system errors without deleting your data and resolve the iPhone red screen issue. iPhone 8 and newer. Press volume up, volume down, hold power until Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 7 Plus. Hold volume down plus power for 10 seconds until Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier. Hold home plus power until screen lights up. Fix 2. Update iOS using iTunes. An outdated iOS version can cause the iPhone red screen issue. Updating to the latest iOS via iTunes can fix these bugs. Here's how to upgrade your iPhone using iTunes. Step 1. Open the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the system. Step 3. Once iTunes detects your device, select your iPhone from the list of connected devices. Step 4. In the left panel, go to the summary section. Step 5. On the right, click Check for updates. If an iOS update is available, you will be notified. Step 6. Next, click Update. Step 7. Confirm your choice to update your iPhone to a stable iOS version using iTunes. Fix 3. Restore iPhone from recovery mode. If the update fails, you can use recovery mode to repair the iPhone, but it will erase all data and settings. Be sure to back up your iPhone before proceeding. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Enter recovery mode according to your model. iPhone 8 and later. Press volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 series. Press and hold both the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models. Press and hold both the home button and the power button simultaneously. Step 3. Now, you are in recovery mode, and you will receive a notification from iTunes asking you to restore or update your iPhone. Simply click Restore. Fix 4. Put the iPhone into DFU mode. DFU mode can deeply repair firmware issues and is the most effective software solution for fixing the red screen. However, it will erase all data, so be sure to back up your device in advance. Step 1. Connect the device to the computer and open iTunes or Finder. Step 2. Quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button. Step 3. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Step 4. While holding the power button, press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. Step 5. Release the power button, but continue holding the volume down button for about 10 seconds. Step 6. If the screen is completely black and the computer detects the device, you have successfully entered DFU mode. Step 7. Select Restore iPhone to complete the repair. Fix 5. Using iOS system recovery without data loss. iOS system recovery Windows Mac is a safe and simple solution to fix the iPhone red screen issue. With one click, it can resolve red or blue or white or black screen problems and restore your iPhone without data loss. Step 1. Launch the program on your computer and connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. On the interface of the program, click More Tools and then the iOS System Recovery option to move. Step 2. Just click the Start button at the bottom. Then this program will automatically detect and show your iPhone's possible problems, such as iPhone red screen of death, iPhone screen not working, iTunes error 21, iPhone error 2009, etc. Step 3. Then you will need to confirm your iPhone information. Just click the Repair button if it is right. If not, select the correct one and then click the Repair option to start fixing the iPhone red screen of death problem. Fix 6. Check the hardware at the Apple Store. If the red screen issue persists, it's likely a hardware problem. The previous solutions address software issues, so it's best to visit an Apple Store for a hardware check and professional repair.